Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding what the disclaimer must do and why. This shapes wording and placement. Once done, draft a 1-2 sentence statement that is simple, direct, and includes any required keywords for your topic. Make sure to flag whether it's legal, affiliate, or medical, because that affects phrasing. After drafting, get a quick legal or subject matter review. This prevents future takedowns or liability. Save the final text with a version date so you can update it later. You continue by embedding the disclaimer where viewers actually read it. First, paste the text into the top third of the video description so it appears in previews and search snippets. Once done, add clear on-screen text during the first 10-15 seconds and pin the same wording as a top comment. Make sure to insert the same clause into your channel about page and into your upload template so every new upload carries the correct language, which keeps you consistent and defensible. You finish by automating and monitoring. First, save the approved disclaimer in your upload defaults and in a shared document so every video uses the same text automatically. Then monitor comments, strikes, and any platform policy updates. Make sure to revise your disclaimer when rules change because old language can fail. Finally, keep a dated log and cloud backup of each version. If an issue arises, you'll show consistent intent. Troubleshooting tip: if flagged, replace text immediately and appeal with your dated version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.